is ballet, and we're making unicorn slime. And here it is coming, Mommy.
Hello everyone. I'll be helping Aaliyah make unicorn slime today. You want to tell everybody what we need?
We need food color glue and
Shaving cream.
shaving cream and
This is the saline solution for contact lenses.
a tablespoon and a cup and a spoon and a bowl.
So let's go ahead and get started.
First the glue.
Yes.
I'm not going to help me.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm going to put it in there.
And we're gonna put the whole thing, and let's show them again. It's the school glue and it's 4 fluid ounces.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and put the whole thing in
Right,
there.
Mama? Whee.
Look at that. How's it looking?
Good.
Good?
Emma, could you help me?
Yeah, we need to squeeze it all out.
I think we need some more.
Oh, that's good. We got it all. Yeah.
Okay.
We have it all. Okay, now we're going to do the saline solution, okay? And it's going to be 2 tablespoons of that.
Emma, could you help me?
Yes. Okay, hold on.
And I hold a spoon.
Okay. It's gonna be 2, okay? So there's... Okay, 1.
One. And 2.
Okay.
I put over there.
What's next, Mama?
One.
Shaving foam.
Shaving foam.
Okay, so let's go ahead and... You wanna hold that, or do you wanna do that?
I want to hold it.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
And it's 1.5 cups.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at that. Ooh. Go ahead. Pour it all in there. Need the spoon? Take it out. There you go. Okay, let's add a little bit more, okay? You can leave the spoon in there.
Yeah. Whoa, wee-hoo.
Go ahead. Use the spoon.
And I need help.
Need help?
It's anything good. No.
Hold on.
Let's do that. You're good.
Maybe. That's good. Now what are we going to do, Aaliyah?
Food color.
No, let's go ahead and mix the ingredients, okay?
Mix it.
Mix it all up.
And then maybe help. Look
It's
at
already turned fluffy. Look at that, Mama.
They're doing a good job, I think. Now green.
No, we have to go like this a little bit more so they can get fluffier and slimier.
Fluffier, like
Yeah,
the other
and
ones.
slimier.
And
Look at this. Look at this, Mama. Can you do it? Go. Go like this. Put your fingers in
I
there.
don't know.
Like this, look. Let me show you.
No, I don't want my fingers.
This, look, Mama.
Mama, I want to do that.
That works. It's very bouncy, isn't it?
Bounce, 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 bounce.
Go like this, Mommy. Ooh, look. Sink your fingers in there. You hear the noise?
Wait, let's float it a little bit more.
Oopsie.
Can you hear the noise, everyone? Look at that.
it all together again. You hear that noise?
I want to make the noise like that.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we are going to section it into 3 pieces. Mommy, we're gonna section it into 3 pieces so that we can do different colors.
Yeah.
So that's 1,
That's pink.
2,
And that's blue.
and then 3.
And that's green.
Go ahead and put some in there. Ooh.
Now blue. Ooh.
So the unicorn slime is going to have red or pinkish,
Pink. Blue.
blue,
And green.
and green.
Yeah. That's better.
Okay. And now we just have to mix it in the slime. Did you hear that noise?
Yeah.
Was that you?
No, that's your slime.
I'm kidding.
That's your slime.
I'm
You made a
joking.
fat.
I'm joking.
Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap.
Look at this, Mama. Let's do it again, look. Let's do it again.
Do you hear that noise?
Cool, yeah. Okay, so I'm done with the green one. Do you want to do the blue one or do you want me to do it?
I want to do the blue one.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, Aaliyah?
Yeah.
Making
This-
tortillas.
Ew!
Making flour tortillas.
That's so yucky with slime.
No, I'm saying this reminds me of making flour tortillas. You know, you're going to learn how to make flour tortillas one day.
What are you saying about?
Yeah, some flour tortillas. I'm just going to show you how to make flour tortillas one day.
When?
Soon.
Mama, that's a little bit white right there.
Just have to keep mixing it.
Mama, help me. Help me, Mama.
Okay.
You do this side and I do that one.
No. I think we need a little bit more.
I think so. You're first, Mama.
Mine first?
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's turning me so blue. Pink is for me, green is for Mama, and blue is for Daddy. What did it say for the
What is your favorite color?
pink, purple, blue?
You just have to choose one. That's your favorite color.
Blue and purple are my favorite.
It's hard to choose one. You know what's Mommy's?
So,
I told you before.
I never hear.
Burgundy.
Burgundy.
Yeah, it's my favorite color.
Like here.
No, I'll have to show you what burgundy looks like a little later.
Now let's mix them up.
Yeah,
I'm
so
getting
Mommy, this is
into
how we're going to do it. Just go ahead and go like that. Spread them out.
Wait, I
Let's
want to
spread
do
this
the
one out.
green.
Right next to it. Put it very close. Very close. Put this one very close.
Now.
Now you mix it.
Whoa, look at that.
Look at that, Mommy. We made our own at-home slime.
Whoa.
Look at that, Mommy.
It's so cool.
Look. You can play around with it like this.
Wow, cool.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Look, and we have more of the pink one that we made earlier. You can mix it in with
Give
that.
me the right one.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Wait, do you want to include some color in it?
No.
No?
Look at that.
Look at that. Do you want to show your doll?
Look,
Show
Belly. Wow, cool.
She's looking up. She didn't even see this whole time. Or she's looking down, I should say.
Wow, cool, Mama. And cool, Aaliyah. And now I can play with all of it.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me give you a little bit more.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa, so fun. Even you can make a bubble. Whoa.
This is better than the one you can get in the store.
Am I lit?
Look at that. Oh, you have some. Hold on. You're having too much fun, then now you have it on your face.
So much fun. So cool. Let's keep playing. Keep
Oh, it's
playing.
turning purple now.
Nice. I can see the food color. I want some purple. Wow. I'm playing this side.
Look. Oh, you know what we can do, Mommy?
No.
You know what we can do? We can
Whoa,
make a star.
whoa, whoa. Huh?
Do you want to do a star?
Yeah.
Remember what we learned?
What about a heart? I want to make a heart.
Okay, let's make a heart. Do you want me to show you first, and then you can do it?
No.
Do you want to do it?
I want to make a heart.
Okay. Look.
Is that a heart?
Wait, hold on. It's like a form heart. But we can fix it. Look, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
I'm helping, Mama. I want to help. Whoa!
Look at that.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Now let's keep.
Look at
Whoa!
that.
Now.
Let's see how stretchy it is. Look at that, Mommy. Look at that.
It's so rainbowy. Look right here. I can see the food color. This is so much fun. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Pink cat. If you want to keep watching it and go back and watch it, keep going back and watch it. Okay, everyone? Bye bye.